Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like and comment and also share with a friend. First thing first, I'm starting off with my Amazon palette. This is the Changeable Fantasy palette. This is the dupe for the Morphe James Charles palette. And I'm just starting off with a brownish red color for my transition color and just blending that outward. And then I went in with a little bit of yellow and orange just to make that a little more brighter so that it'll show through. And I'm just building those colors up to where I want it to be. And I did add a little bit more yellow than what I needed, so I'm just going to go in with some orange to kind of blend it out a little bit more before going in with the brownish color yet again. And everything that I use will be listed down below in the description box. And I did my foundation and everything else off camera. And I'm still building up those colors by just mixing both of the shades together and just blending it out. And then I'm just going to blend everything together just so it can be exactly the colors that I want. And you could use, a brown that is exactly that orangish shade, but I thought just mixing these colors together gave me the perfect transition color. And I'm going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Now that first shade that I used, I'm just taking a little bit more of that to make that stand out just a little bit more, because I felt like the other colors kind of took away from the colors that I was going with. And I'm just taking some concealer and I'm cutting my crease, and I'm just taking my time. And on the other side of the brush, as you can see, it's more product on this side than the other side. But I wanted to start off with a little at a time just to make sure that I got that line as perfect as possible, because this is not the brush that I normally use, but it still worked just the same. This is a flat brush, but you want to go for a more rounded brush. It'll give you a more smoother, rounder cut crease, at least in my opinion. And I'm just adding this, making the lines as clean as I possibly can, and anything that I mess up, I'm just going to go over it with the eyeshadow once again before going in with my glitter glue. Now this part is optional because you are putting on glitter glue as well as glitter, so you don't have to put on any eyeshadow. But I'm going in with a white eyeshadow, and then I added on a little bit of a nude eyeshadow on top, just so the glitter that I was using would show better. And I knew I was going to add glitter, but I was not planning on adding glitter the way that I did. And I'm just going back in with those same eyeshadows and cleaning that line up a little bit more so that the other shadows that I added didn't take away from the look. Now this is the part when I changed my mind, and I'm going in with a black gel liner, and I'm just making my wing first and then going into my lash line. And I was going to do another smoky eye, but I decided not to, and I'm just angling this as clean as I possibly can before going in with my glitter glue. And I stopped my camera to put on my lash, and then I didn't even press play when I was recording the glitter part. But I'm doing everything that I just did on the opposite side, so you will see everything all over again, as well as me adding on the glitter. And for the rest of the video, I'm just going to let the video play. Hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share with a friend if you are new. And if you are a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like, comment, and also share with a friend. And again, everything that I use will be listed down below. My posting days are every Sunday, Tuesday, Friday, as well as every other Saturday.